This next article from the New York Post: air-conditioned rooms help spread COVID-19. Research shows dry and air-conditioned rooms can help spread coronavirus, according to an Indian-German research team that looked at the role of relative humidity and transmission of infections for office workers and students worldwide. The findings are important as they head back to their desk months after lockdown. Okay, so this isn't new. I'm going to have to go out here and shame them. We've known this for months, actually. In fact, if you look at the places where the COVID outbreaks are happening, they're all in areas where they use a lot of air conditioning. Let's go back and look at it. We've already looked at it. Let's look at it for the third time, because what the hell else are we going to do? Let's look at the states that are having infection rises here. We got California. We got Louisiana. We've got Florida. We've got Georgia. And all of the other states that are colder are not having COVID outbreaks. Well, I wonder why that is happening. I wonder whether or not the people who are sitting in those air conditioning houses should wear masks. Yeah, because that's real fucking smart. Just sit around your house with the fucking mask on, Democrat mind control voice. Hey, I'm just sitting around my house with the mask on. Yeah, I'm fucking brilliant, man. No, I am not going to sit around my house with a fucking mask on. I'm not stupid.